Hello everyone, I'm just going to show you real quickly what I did to search for the articles that I used for my initial article post under our discussion board. So I came to the UTA Library's website here on library.uta.edu. I went over here to the left side of the website and clicked on Databases A to Z. Then I scrolled down right here to Academic Search Complete. I've learned how to do this over time with the previous classes in this program to research anything. And so my topic is about reading, specifically word recognition in elementary students. So I go to this part right here and I type in reading just to narrow down my searching topic, and then I go down here and I specifically type in elementary, and then I also type word recognition, just so that the research articles are very specific to what I'm looking for. Then I come down here and I click on scholarly peer-reviewed journals. Then I make sure I click on PDF full text. Even though we're not required to open up the full text, I still liked to go in there and look and make sure that the headings for the scholarly journal articles are there according to what we've been reading so far in our classes. So then I click on search. Then I see that I have a list of articles ready for me to view. But one last thing I like to do before I search is I like to narrow down the publication dates. I don't like for it to be too old, so I go to maybe about 2005, 2006, and then it'll update and filter the list. So now I'm ready to look at the abstract and view the headings of the articles and see if it is good enough for my list, and then I just go from there. I look at the PDF full text, I open it up, and I'm automatically looking for the title and the abstract here, then specific headings that we look for in scholarly viewed articles, like experiment 1, method, and different things like that, results, discussions. So that is what I'm looking for, and then when I find that that's the article that I like, I go here to download and I save it on my Mac, my computer. And so that's pretty much how I do it. Thank you.